What happens when a nation decides to treat the entire planet as a giant engineering playground? For decades, the global scientific community has watched a quiet revolution unfold. Today, China is no longer just manufacturing the world's goods. Instead, they are rapidly constructing a collection of scientific and structural marvels that are fundamentally reshaping our global future. The country is moving with an unprecedented level of strategic speed, signaling a massive geopolitical shift that could easily position them as the world's next undisputed superpower. To understand this rapid acceleration, we have to look closely at their staggering dominance in clean energy. While other nations debate environmental policy, China is building at a breakneck pace. The country has successfully installed nearly 2 terawatts of wind and solar capacity, generating more clean electricity than the world's entire nuclear fleet combined. In fact, China accounts for over 60% of all new global renewable capacity. They are currently constructing 2/3 of all wind and solar projects on Earth, including massive installations like the 400-kilometer-long Solar Great Wall. But this engineering dominance is perhaps most visible right on the ground, through their legendary transportation infrastructure. In just 15 years, China has constructed the world's largest high-speed rail network, stretching across an unbelievable 50,000 kilometers. This single network accounts for more than 2/3 of the entire high-speed rail layout on the planet. They aren't slowing down either. Engineers are actively testing the next-generation bullet trains designed to push commercial travel speeds to a blistering 400 kilometers per hour. They have even developed a cutting-edge 600 kilometer per hour maglev train to bridge the speed gap between rail travel and commercial aviation. Meanwhile, their scientific ambitions are aggressively reaching far beyond our atmosphere. While the aging International Space Station prepares for its eventual retirement, China is working to double the physical size of its permanent Tiangong space station. They are even preparing to launch a massive Hubble-class space telescope to co-orbit right alongside it. Even more impressive is their accelerating lunar roadmap. Their advanced robotic probes are actively hunting for precious water ice at the lunar South Pole, systematically laying the vital groundwork to land Chinese astronauts on the surface of the moon by the end of this decade. Ultimately, these colossal projects prove that China has transitioned into a true scientific powerhouse. By successfully blending massive state funding with long-term planning, they are leaving the rest of the world behind. The message to the global community is clear. The future isn't coming, it is already being built in China.